So today we are cooking with one of my absolutely favorite beloved fruits, California avocados. And it's perfect timing because California avocado are in season from spring to summer, and we are cooking two ridiculously delicious vegan gluten-free summertime recipes. The first one we're gonna do is a tomato carpaccio. I like to call it Carpaccio, with a California avocado cream sauce, and the other one are spring rolls with a delicious avocado dipping sauce. It's gonna be so great because we're focusing on these beautiful avocado sauces to really enhance the flavor. So the first thing we always want to do is make sure to wash our fruit and vegetables. It is tomato carpaccio time. We're gonna take our avocado and we're gonna quarter it and then peel it. And this green right here, when you peel the skin back, oh my God, it's so perfect. And the darker the green is, that is where the most concentration of nutrients are. So you definitely want to get that. Toss in some basil. I love tomatoes and basil. That is such a winning combination of flavors. We're gonna do the juice of half a lime, a few cracks of salt in here, a splash of water. We're gonna do about 2/3 of a cup. Blitz it up. Look at that green, so vibrant. This is where the magic is, you guys. Just be so generous with this because here is the flavor. That is so good. I can't wait to eat the rest for later. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and make our spring rolls. I have a few ingredients in the refrigerator for the dipping sauce because we all know that's the best part. So you have some coconut yogurt. All right, you guys, it's time to assemble our spring rolls. So we have our rice paper over here and a plate filled with lukewarm water. So just get it warm. We want to, soften it up a little bit. I love using spring rolls in this recipe because they're the perfect vehicle to really soak in the flavor of our dipping sauce. I gotta dip it in. I gotta try this right now. This California avocado dipping sauce, this is so good. It's so buttery. All right, you guys, I hope these recipes just inspire you to see how much fun it is to play around with California avocados. And be sure to check the label for California to ensure that you are enjoying locally grown California avocados all season long. And you know what? I'm gonna finish this up by having a little bit more because this is so good. Oh, I love avocados.